How to do motion tracking on Premiere Pro. Now this works in the latest version of Premiere Pro on your Mac. So basically using this tool over here, this selection tool, you need to select something to motion track. So let's say I want to just select this like box. You can see it's red highlighted. Once I do this thing, I need to click on it and it's highlighted. Now you guys can see it, it's selected. Now what I need to do is over here on the right corner, click on this small box or like the arrow and choose effect control. The moment I make this box over here, this mask is going to be formed. Now to track it, I just need to click on this button in the middle. You can see track. Once I click on it, it's going to analyze and track the box. Now since the box is not moving too much, this tracking is useless. But if the box was moving here or there, or the character was moving here or there, this tracking would have been complicated and Premiere Pro would have done it. Either way, it's the same thing. That's how you guys can motion track on Premiere Pro. For more complex motion tracking, you need to use After Effects, so keep that in mind. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.